Yes, I have told you list can hold different type of data, right? So shall we do it? See, if I am having new list, my variable is new list. I'm creating so different types of data. So as I told you, 45 I can give float. This is an integer, and of course I can give a this is a string, right? So you can give new list. So you are having the output. So different types of data list can hold. Okay, so can we say two lists can work together? Yes, of course we can do it. For that I have to form. I have already formed list 1 is there, and new list I have given 45 6.7 and will grow. So if I want to put this list together means, so let's say I'm having a variable, so two list, right? So list 1 is there, and of course another list which I'm having is new list. So to a new variable I have assigned these two lists. So if I print zip, you can have both the list has been put together. So likewise you can zip the list together. So what are the functions available in this list? For example, if I give list 1 dot, you can see append, clear, copy, and you can have clear, copy, count, extend, index, insert. So these are all the methods you have in the list. So let us try first append. So append in the sense you can able to add a value or add a string, character, whatever it is, you can add an element to the list. For example, list 1 you can see it is already having 23467. So if I want to append another value, so for using methods you have to use the round bracket. Okay, so I am appending a value, let's say 4. Fine. So I'm appending a value 4. If I print now list 1, you can see the 4 has been added as a last element to the list. So if you want to add a particular element in a particular position, that is in a particular index, if you want to do that, yes, of course you can do it. So you can use list 1 dot insert. This method you can use. In that insert you can give the index number first. Where is the position actually? So here I am going to insert in the place of 67. So it is 0, 1 and 2. So I am giving it a second position. So I am adding a one more value called 70, right? So if I give list 1, you can see in the place of 67 this 70 has been inserted. So what if I want to remove the item? So remove the item is quite easy in Python. So the methods are very visible. So list 1 dot remove. So here if I want to remove, so I can give the value which I want to remove. If I want to remove for example 55, okay. So if I print list 1, you can see the 55 has been removed from the list. And there is one more option called pop is also there. So pop, like append, no, if you give a append means then it will add that element in the last item of the list. So likewise in pop also you can have, it will remove the last item of the pop. Sorry, last item of the list. See, it will fetch the value. It will remove the element from the list and it will fetch the value. That is the difference between remove and pop. So if I print list 1 now, you can see that 4 is not there in the